the Bible. Everybody held up. Now he's going, you pretend like it. I have given you the power and authority. Nothing shall hurt you. Sisters and brothers, believe it or not, he took the Bible and with all the members, he went around and did a Bible procession and started reading the Word of God. And Father John testified, within days, this Bible procession started. All the